Hello everyone, this is Akshita, your educator. I welcome you all on the platform of Global Online UGC-NET. In this particular lecture, we are dealing with UGC-NET 2023 paper number 1. As we know friends, Global Online platform has launched a complete series for paper 1. In this particular series, we are dealing with a topic called percentage. This is lecture number 3, and before moving into the video friends, I would like to tell you that the UGC-NET 2023 examination for that complete course has been launched for paper 1 via Global Online platform, containing following features. We have live lectures, video lectures on all the units, 60 mock tests will be provided to you to check how much you have covered the syllabus in depth. Nextly, last 10 years PYQs will be provided to you. Also 2000 plus MCQ question banks will be provided. Following all these features, we will guarantee you that you will get maximum marks in the examination as well as can have guaranteed selection. So you just have to go and download the Global Online app or contact us on this particular given WhatsApp number, which is 97660 For this course, the fees is just of 4,500 rupees. Simply go and subscribe, get enrollment to this particular course, because this course is going to be very much beneficial for you friends. So do grab the opportunity. Nextly, you have to download the Global Online app, install it from the Play Store. Once you will install it, you will find such interface. Okay, in this particular interface there is an icon called as store. Click on the store icon and nextly you will move to the pages called as my courses. In this particular page there is one search tab over here. Alright, you have to search UGC-NET paper 1, paper 2. Actually, UGC-NET paper 1, paper 2 is not only the courses the Global Online is providing you. We have different types of courses, like for Maharashtra set examination if you are preparing, or different state set examinations, PhD courses are provided to you over here. Okay, and seated courses are provided. So Global Online is not only a platform where you can prepare for UGC-NET, but this is a platform where you can prepare for different entrance examination which you want to face. Okay, so basically this platform is going to be beneficial for you. Do subscribe to the channel if you are new to the channel, so that you can get more updates regarding this particular course or any course that will be updated over here. Now the UGC-NET paper 1 course consists of following overview that I have already discussed with you. That is, UGC-NET paper 1 complete course consists of daily lectures, recorded lectures, 60 mock tests, full syllabus notes, last 10 years question papers, 2000 MCQs, PDF content is provided in English as well as in Hindi. Okay, so the content consists of the following unit. It consists of unit called teaching aptitude, a research aptitude, a reading comprehension, communication, mathematical reasoning and logical reasoning. This is all the content that has been provided in the paper 1, and this particular content will be discussed in detail via this particular platform. Okay, so in this particular course you will provided with the video lectures, full syllabus mock test, 2000 plus MCQs, PYQs, scholarship tests will be provided again. Second thing, here the course will also go bilingual. If you want to attend the course, or if you want the course to be in Hindi as well as in English, then this course will be provided to you by the Ankita Sood ma'am, and live lectures of Hindi language will be provided to you by the Priyanka ma'am. And if you want to attend only exclusively English lectures, then this will be provided to you by Tripti ma'am. So basically all the English also is provided, English is also provided, and complete Hindi lectures are also provided. You can just get access to any of these courses, any of these particular courses, whichever you want to. Nextly, now moving in today's lecture friends, I would like to tell you that if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe to the channel as well as hit the like button if you like the video. And if there are any kind of doubts regarding the subscription, regarding the enrollment of the course, you can please comment down in the comment section. Someone in our team will get in touch with you. Okay, so let us start with the first question. The difference between two numbers is given, which is 1550. If 8% of one number is 10% of another number or other number, then we have to find the two numbers. Basically there is given the difference between two numbers. For example, one number is A and the another number is B. Basic difference is given, that is 1550. Okay, and what is given? 8% of A is 10% of B. Read the second statement. If 8% of one number, that is A, is equal to 10% of the other number that is b. Okay, we have to find this particular a and b numbers. Okay, so let us get into this detail. Let me rub this out once. Okay, suppose let us consider these two unknown numbers are x and y. These are the two numbers that we don't know over here, we have to find it out, right? What is given? 8% of one number, let us consider x, is equal to 10% of the another number, that is y. Okay, we have to calculate x and y over here. As we know, 8% denotes 8 upon 100. Write it down. 8 upon 100 of means into x is equal to 10 upon 100 into y. I simply cancel out the 100 from both the sides. Okay, what is left out over here? 8x is equal to 10y. Okay, what I will do here is now x is equal to 10y upon 8. Whatever the 8 here is in multiplication, when we take this side it goes in division. This is the simple maths. Okay, so here what will be the answer? 5 by 4y. Okay, just cancel it out. 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8. It will be 5 by 4y. Therefore x की value क्या आई? 5 upon 4y. Okay, this is the value for the x. Now moving on, what is given in the first statement? Look over there. Difference between these two particular numbers is 1550. It means that x minus y, I'll write it over here, x minus y is equal to 1550. Okay, so what is the value of x that we have derived here? It is 5 by 4y. Write it down simply here. 5 by 4y minus y is equal to 1550. I did nothing, I just kept or placed the value of x which I have derived from here in this particular values of x, right? That is 5 by 4y minus y is equal to 1550. Now nextly, how to calculate this? Here is nothing, it means it is 1. Okay, basically whenever we have to take the subtraction of a fraction, we must know one thing, that whenever the denominators are same, at that time only we can perform the subtraction, right? So here the denominator are not same. Here the denominator is 4, here it is 1. I'm just literally teaching you from the scratch. Okay, so here we have to multiply it by 4, upside also we have to multiply it by 4. Simple rule is, if you are multiplying anything with the denominator, we have to multiply it with the numerator. This is a simple thing. Okay, what will be the answer now? Here it comes 5 by 4y minus 4 upon 4y, this is equals to 1550. I did simply this for the subtraction, that is 1 upon 4y is equal to 1550. Okay, denominators are same, I can simply calculate the subtraction, right? Now what will be the value of y? So I'll take this 4 to this side. The 4 is here in division, it will go into the multiplication, that is y is equal to now 1550 into 4, that will give us 6200. So the value of y is 6200. Now we have to calculate the value of x. We got the value of y, now calculate the value of x. You can simply put in this particular equation, x minus y is given to us 1550. So what is the value of y that we have derived here? That is 6200. It is 1550. Simply the value of x will be, here this particular value is in minus. When we take this side, it will go into the plus. Okay, so it will be 1550 plus 6200. What will be the answer? 7750. So we got these two values, the value of x and the value of y. Okay, this is the value of y, this is the value of x. This is how we calculate this particular question. Okay, nextly, two numbers are given to us, that is p and q. P and q are the number, one is the p and the another one is the q. What is given? 2% of p, the sum of 2% of p and sum of 2% of q, 2% of q is 2/3 of sum of 2% of p and 6% of q. try to understand the question first. There are two numbers, one is the P and the another one is the Q number. Okay, what is given? Next sentence, the sum of the 2% of P and sum of 2% of Q is 2/3 of sum of the 2% of P and 6% of Q. How to calculate this? Look into the question. 2% of P, 2% of Q, their sum is equal to 2/3 of sum of what? 2% of P, 6% of Q. Now we have derived the particular thing from this question, right? 2% of P plus 2% of Q is equal to 2/3 of 2% of P plus 6% of, this is 6, okay, this is 6% of Q. Now we know the simple thing, 2% denotes 2 upon 100, of denotes multiplication, that is take this multiplication into P, okay, 2 upon 100 into Q, okay, is equal to 2/3 of 2 upon 100 into P plus 6 upon 100 into Q, right? So cancel it out, it will be 50, right? 2 50s are 100, it means 1 upon 50. Give me a minute. I'll write it smaller so that space will be enough here, okay? So here 1 upon 50 one second, okay, this is quite I'm sorry, okay. 1 upon 50 P, I'll zoom inside, so okay, 1 upon 50 P plus, similarly I'll cancel out this to 1 upon 50 Q, this is equals to 2 upon 3, 2 by 100, I can take this 1 upon 50 again, okay, and I'll take this as 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10, 0, okay. I have P and this is Q, okay. I just have simply cancel the terms over here, right? Nothing other than that. So nextly, here 1 upon 50 P plus 1 upon 50 Q, this becomes, after the calculation of this, it becomes 1 upon 75 P plus 1 upon 25 Q, okay, 1 upon 25 Q. Simply you have to multiply 2 by 3 with that particular numbers over there inside, okay, and you get 1 upon 75 P plus 1 upon 75 Q. Now whatever the P terms are, look at that, just simply 1 upon 50 P plus 1 upon 75 P. What I can do is I can take this 1 upon 75 P to this side, right? What I will get then, 1 upon 50 P, what I have done, I have taken this 1 upon 75 P to this side. This particular is in plus, when it goes this side it will get in minus 1 upon 75 P. Similarly, what I am doing now is 1 upon 25 Q as it is, this 1 upon 50 Q goes this side, gets minus symbol 1 upon 50 Q. What I have done is I have taken the PP terms at one side and the Q terms at the other side, right? Simply 1 upon 50 minus 1 upon 75, I have taken P in common now, is equal to 1 upon 25 minus 1 upon 50, again Q I have taken in common. Simply I have taken P and Q, both the terms in common. Now all is after the calculation. If you are not able to understand how to calculate this, simply what you do is make the denominators same, okay. Here denominator is 50, I can multiply this by 2, also upside by 2, so what I can get is 50, sorry, 2 upon 50 minus 1 upon 50, that will be 1 upon 50. Similarly, what you can do over here is make the denominator similar. How we can make, ma'am? Here we can multiply it by 2, it gets 150 downside. Here similarly, if we multiply here by 3, then the denominator will be 150. So multiply upside also by 3, here also upside by 2. So what will be the answer? 3 upon 150 minus 2 upon 150, that is 1 upon 150, right? 1 upon 150 P is equal to 1 upon 50 Q is the answer. We have to calculate what is given in the question. We have to calculate the ratio of P and Q. What are the numbers? Let us discuss that, but we have to calculate the ratio of P and Q. P upon Q. Okay, this is equals to, I have taken this particular Q in this side, I'll take this 50 on that side. 50 is in division, it will go in multiplication, and 50 as it is, 0 0 got cancelled. This is 5 3s are 15, 3 upon 1. So P is to Q is equals to 3 is to 1 is the ratio of the numbers P and the Q. This is how we calculate. Okay, next, moving on to the next question. Before that, I would like to tell you that for paper 2, complete study material has been launched. Here you will find the compilation of full syllabus notes and most expected MCQs, right? So this compiled combination of the notes and the most expected MCQs will be beneficial if you are having paper 2. Okay, from this particular subjects, you can go and get enrolled to this particular course. Right now the fees has been reduced from 1700 to 1500. This is again a golden opportunity to grab it, to join this particular paper 1 or paper 2 courses. Also this if you want this particular study material, this compiled study material of the notes and the expected MCQs, you can contact us on this given WhatsApp number, which is 9860464765. Also you can contact us on this next given number, that is 9766066858. This is the number of the WhatsApp. You can text us, you will get enrolled into the courses. If your paper 2 subjects are like management, economics, computer science, commerce, history, sociology, psychology, library science, philosophy, Marathi, law, English literature, physical education, geography, political science, social work education, Hindi, public administration, and the electronic science. If you have any one of this subject and want the compilation, you can simply contact us. Okay, so moving on to the next question, friends. When 35 is subtracted from a number, it reduces to 80. Find the fifth of that number. What does 4/5 means? 4/5 of that particular number we have to calculate. Okay, so now let us consider that the particular given number, okay, which we have to calculate over here is x. Okay, what is given in the first statement? If we are subtracting 35 from a number, that is from x, then it reduces to the 80%. It reduces to its 80% only. 80% को reduce हो जाता है, but of whom? Of itself. 80% of x. Whenever we are subtracting 35 from this particular number is reducing 80. It is reducing to the 80% of itself. Okay, so what we have to calculate is, we have to calculate the number and a 4/5 of that particular number. 4/5 of x is the thing that we have to calculate. Okay, so I hope you have understood the question. Now let us go into detail. Consider, or let the number be x. When we subtract 35 from this x, what we are getting is 80% of x, that is 80% of that number. It reduces to 80%, right? So what we will write this, x minus 35 will become 80 upon 100x. Alright, so x. Now look into the terms. Here what is given? 80 upon 100x. What I can do is take this complete term on this particular side. Okay, and what will be the symbol assigned to 80 upon 100x will be minus, because it is the positive number. When we take this side, we will get into the negative, right? Similarly, x is equal to 35 is on this side, that is minus 35. When I take this side, it will become plus 35. So calculate this. If you are not able to calculate, simply here it is nothing but there is 1. Make the denominator same. To make the denominator, I'll multiply it by 100. So if I have multiplying downwards by 100, I have to multiply numerator also with the 100. So 100x. Why I'm taking this? Because many of the students have huge gap. They have left a huge gap when they have actually studied the mathematics. Like many of them have stopped studying maths at the standard 10th itself, right? To bridge this huge gap, I'm just making the things clear to you from the scratch, right? So don't get worried. If you are aware of these things, then you can watch this particular video at a particular speed. Okay, you can make 1.5 or 1.75, something like that. Okay, and watch it, but do watch it. Okay, 80x minus 100x will be now 20x upon 100 is equal to 35, right? So what we have to calculate now? We have to calculate the value of x, ma'am. So 20x is equal to 35 into 100. I have taken 100 on this side. It is in division, it will go in multiplication. Similarly, x will be 35 into 100 upon 20, right? This 20 is in multiplication. When I take this side, it will go in division, right? So cancel this out. 2 5s are 35, 5s are will be 175. So the value of x is what? The value of x now we have calculated is 175. When we are subtracting 35 from this 175, this particular number is getting reduced to 80% of 35 itself, or the number itself. Okay, now what is given in the question? We have to calculate the 4/5 of x, that is 4/5 of 175. 5 3s are 15, 5 5s are 25. Okay, this will be 35 into 140. Hence the 4/5 of this 175 number is 140. This is the simple thing, simple question. Next, move on to the next question. 50% of a number is 18 less than 2/3 of that particular number. We have to find the number. Look here, 50% of a number is not given. Let us consider the number be x. 50% of x, 50% of x is given that it is 18 less than 2/3 of that number. 18 less than 2/3 of that number. To calculate this, what you have to do is simply 2/3 of x minus 50% of x is equal to 18. What I have done is, look here, 50% of a number is 18 less than 2/3 of that number. 50% of x is how much less? It is 18 less than the 2/3 of the number. This is the meaning of this particular question. Okay, we have to find the value of x. Simply 2/3 of x, what is 50% denotes? 50 upon 100 into x is equal to 18. This becomes, yes, 50. X is equal to 5400. X will come 5400 upon 50. It means 00 get cancels. 108 is the value or the number. Okay, if you're not getting the calculation, look here, simply again you have to make the denominator similar, or what you can do is cancel the 50 and 100. Do it 2s are, okay, 1 upon 2. And nextly what you will do, you will make the denominator same. For making the denominator same, what you are gonna do, multiply here with 2, upside also by 2. It becomes 3 2s are 6. So I can multiply here with 3, again here with 3. 3 2s are 6. So denominators become same. 4 upon 6 minus 3 upon 6 becomes 1 upon 6. Okay, so this is how you calculate. So the number will be 108. Moving on to the next question. What is given now? The value of lathe machine depreciates at the rate of 10% per annum. If the cost of machine at present is rupees 1,60,000, then what will be the worth after 2 years? I would like to give you two formulas for this particular types of question. If you are facing this, if you are coming across such questions, or like for example a machine or any stuff is given, okay, like any product, machine is given. Here what is given? Lathe machine is given. I don't know how it is pronounced, lathe machine or something. Washing machine is given, or any machine or any goods is given over there, and what they are saying that its current rate is given. Okay, for example, I'm using here a device. I'm using a telephone, or I can say a iPhone. Okay, so what I'm doing is simply try to understand that I'm giving here you the amount that I have bought, or right now the current value of this particular phone is 1 lakh. Okay, today in the year 2022, the worth or the value we are paying for this for buying this particular phone is 1 lakh rupees. Okay, also I'm saying that this particular phone's value is depreciating. What does depreciate mean? It means it is reducing. Okay, वो कम होते जा रहा है. This particular phone is getting reduced by 10% each year. Each year it is getting reduced by 10%. Okay, also what is given? 10% depreciation is given, the worth is given. Okay, also they can ask us to calculate this worth or the value of this particular phone before 2 years or after 2 years. Okay, if they are asking us to calculate the value of this particular phone after 2 years, आफ्टर 2 years, 2 साल के बाद इस पर्टिकुलर फ़ोन का प्राइस कितना होगा? आफ्टर 2 years this particular phone will be of worth how much rupees? To calculate that, I'll give you one formula. The formula is P into 1 minus R upon 100 raised to n. So ma'am, what is P, what is R, what is n? P is the 1 lakh rupees, the worth right now. Rate R, by what percent it is reducing, or by what percentage the rate of that particular phone or any device it's getting reduced, it means R. And what does n denotes? N denotes means how much, after how much years we have to find that particular value of the phone. Now what is given over here, I told you that we have to find the worth or the value of this phone after 2 years, ma'am. After 2 years, it means the value of n will be 2. Here iPhone's value I have given is 1 lakh rupees. It means price is 1 lakh rupees. The rate by which it is depreciating each day, it is reducing each day, is 10%. So R will be 10%. So I hope you have understood the formula. P into 1 minus R upon 100 raised to n. This is the formula for after 2 years, after whatever is given, after present situation. It means in future what will be the value for future, what is the value for that, the formula is this one. And in past, if we have to calculate, same question, same iPhone, same price, same depreciation of 10 years, sorry 10%, not 10 years, sorry 10%. Okay, now we are living in 2022. I'm asking you, what is the price? What was the price before 2 years or before 3 years? So here I'm asking you to calculate the price of that particular stuff before or in past. For that, the formula will be P upon 1 minus R upon 100 raised to n. So what is P, ma'am? P is the price again, 7500. What is R, ma'am? The depreciation or the reduction. And what is n, ma'am? The years that we are calculating, how much years before. For example, I'm asking you to calculate 2 years before, then n will be 2 years. So this is the formula. So these are the two formulas. This is for before. To calculate after or in future, what was the formula? 1 minus R by 100 raised to n. This is after and this is the before wala formula. These are the two formulas that you have to keep in mind, because such questions have given importance and we have to simply keep these two formulas in mind so that you can calculate in easy manner. What is given here? One lathe machine is given. Lathe machine, and this particular lathe machine is depreciating each year by 10%. Here's worth is reducing 10% per annum. If the cost of machine at present is 1,60,000, 1,60,000 is the rate. Right now we have to calculate the worth of this machine after 2 years. We have to just focus on these two words, after or before. Now they have given us after 2 years. Okay, so this is the year, for example 2022, 2023 and 2024. From 2022 to 2023 it is reducing by 10%. Similarly from 2023 to 2024 it is reducing by 10%. We have to calculate the worth after 2 years. What was the formula that I have given to you? Formula was one second please. Formula is, for after calculation, the value of latte machine, this will be equal to P into 1 minus R upon 100 raised to n. This is for the value in future, right? Formula for the future. What is the value of P? Value of P is 1600. What is the value of R? What is value of n? Right? This is how we put just the values in this particular formula. 1,60,000, 1 minus 10 upon 100 raised to n, that is 2. Okay, if you are not able to calculate, again do the same stuff. Here it is nothing but 1. Okay, multiplied by 100, upside also and downside also. Similarly, what will be the value? 100 upon 100 minus 10 upon 100, it means 90 upon 100. 90 upon 100, raised to 2. Okay, so simply just take these squares, that is again 9 ka square and 10 ka square, and simply calculate it. What will be the answer? Answer will be 1,29,600. You can simply see here the value of the machine, or any kind of question if you take and they are asking us to calculate the value after this particular year, the value always reduces. Basically, if we see, if you are buying one iPhone, for example, we are buying one particular phone which is of new model for current situation in market, by each day there comes a new model, right? So the value of the purana model gets decreases simply, right? So this is how the value is decreasing, and this is how we calculate the value of a particular machine or any given good, is how is decreasing and how it comes increasing after, in future and in past. Okay, so this was the end of today's lecture. Thank you for watching it. I hope you liked the video. I hope you're liking my content. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you're liking my content, whatever I'm delivering to you, please comment in the comment section so that I can get boosted up, and I will prepare lot of more and I give lot of more efforts for this particular videos, for your particular videos, and your response is very much important for us. Okay, so thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you have any kind of doubt regarding any question, regarding any kind of how to subscribe or enrollment to the courses, you can comment in the comment section. And exams are close, please follow the content, follow the lectures, so that you will get more known to what kind of questions can come in examinations. Okay, so if you're new to the channel, please subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching the video. Have a great day everyone. Bye.